It is my desire to repair this camera that has a broken screen. I ordered this one on eBay. I guess I'll first disassemble the bad camera. I can turn it on. I hear it making noise. I believe it has a bad lens. It's all scratched up. It won't close. Remove the screws. Well, they're much tighter than I thought they would be. This is truly an experiment. I do not know if I can fix this camera or not. But since it's broken, what do I have to lose? I don't see any more screws. Let's see if we can pry this thing apart. There we go. We're getting somewhere now. Alright, here we go. Cover came off after all. It's got a lot of little clips on the edge. You see? And that kind of holding it together. Alright, we see we got a screen here. And we got to determine what's holding it in. Looks like this little rail is doing it. We'll probably get under it right here. Oh, look. How about that? It just pops out of there. Look at that. This ribbon is usually held in. They got a little clip here that folds up. Fold that little clip up. And this ought to just slide right out. Well, this retainer's in the way. Aha. Take these little pads off. There's screws under there. There's little rubber pads. See them there? There it is. Take them out. There's another screw right here. This is totally amateur. I do not know what I'm doing. Flip that up, and there it is. There's my screen, right there. Alright. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this camera aside.